Hello, beautiful world. My name is Mew, and today I'm going to talk about what I read this week. I often go to three library when I go to my workplace. Then I learn a lot of books. So I just want to share my book I read, and I want to practice my English. So let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to start with this book. It's How to Kicks Restore. Have you ever repaired some your shoes before? I did. Actually, I have it one here. So this is Nike Max, and I just painted for black color. It was a green color here, but I don't like that color. And also, it's dead stock, and I cannot find the old shoes, so I just remake it for myself. And I just have curious about how people are doing for the repairing the shoes. Then like sometimes people change the how to say outsole, and also they are just putting the parts on the toes, not the toe, sorry. The other side of the toe. Sorry, I don't know about the part of the body. And yeah, then this in this book said if you change the parts, just what the one place, the price is gonna be up him. So if the main body, I don't know how to say in English, main body is really famous or popular, you can just change the outsole or the other parts, and then you can sell it as well, or you can just use it for yourself. That was interesting for me. So if you like to uh, buying cakes or collecting cakes, it might be for you. Alright, so it was huge. It's one of the magazine from the magazine, and that magazine called Switch. I think it's Japanese magazine, guess. And then why I choose this book is because it's from Comme des Garçons. It's French, like it's mean like a boy in French, and it's 15th anniversary issue. So I just wanna read it because I love this brand. So Comme des Garçons is in French, but it's made by Rei Kawakubo. It's Japanese woman, and when she go to the Paris, she made a black dress in the Paris collection, and they called Black Shock in that era. And as you can see, I really like it black, and then sometimes red and white. Comme des Garçons blend is my favorite. Then I check how she designed each of uh, clothes, and how she had career on her life. It's kind of visual book, but it also has history on her life. So if you want to learn about Comme des Garçons, I don't know if this pronunciation is correct or not, but anyway, this is really big. This is really nice. Alright, the third book from this week is the Anatomical Chart of Emotion. Let, let me think about how many we have emotion on our body or mind. Can you give me an example? like in this book, we said negative emotion and positive emotion. And for example, negative emotion is sad, uh, angry, anxiety, fear, regret, something like that. And positive emotion is joy, um, lovely, thankfulness, curiosity. Yes. Then when you communicate with someone, we have emotion to this conversation or communication. And this book is an explanation of how the emotion work, why this is happening, then how we can manage to the emotion as well. Okay, let me give you some example. What's your favorite emotion? I don't know. Okay, I give you one negative and one positive. Okay, for example, the first negative emotion is sadness. And sadness is like you feel nothing or it's hard to explain in English. Okay, let me try. It's like a disappointment and feeling nothing is the sadness. So you can feel your heart is really hard. You don't want to do nothing. Yeah, that is the happening when you feel sadness. But sadness is only happening you recognize your reality. So to minimize your sadness, if you face that situation, you have answer. So in advance, you need to prepare for that situation. That is one, how to say, solution. And number two is if you feel sadness, you just cry, you just feel sadness more deeper and deeper. Then if you go into the highest level, it's nothing. You cannot feel sadness at all. And yeah, that is really interesting. And from the positive side, from the positive side, happiness. Okay, let me think. Let me talk about the happiness. Happiness is your dream come true. When your dream come true, the happiness is coming, and your mind is fulfilled, and you feel the happiness. And if the happiness percentage is stronger, you feel the heart is more hitting, or you can have tear up. Sometimes the physical reaction is coming with happiness. And happiness criteria is depend on the people and person. So you need to be careful about the positive emotion because sometimes it is dangerous. If you feel this is the happiness, but it's kind of some brainwash from the someone. Like when you see some like movie or TV show, you feel happiness from that, uh, from the movie or TV show because like it move your heart. But you need to think about what is your criteria of the happiness. You just have to have objective mind, not the subjective. So yeah, there is some kind of that kind of emotion. Please let me know in the comment what's your favorite emotion. My favorite emotion is curiosity. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the last book from this week. So it's the comic, and this is really became popular in Japan. So it called Darwin's Incident. You know Darwin. Then the main character is how do you call this? It. So his mother is human, but his mother is chimpanzee, and his father is human. So in this book, his animal name is Humanji. So it's mixture of human and chimpanzee, Humanji. And his name is Charlie, and it looks like a how to say comedy category, but it's not. It's really deep. Um, in this book, so he is doing the same life as well as the human, and he go to the school. He's in the high school, and he communicate with other person, but he has the strong physical skill like a timpani, and he has really good intelligent IQ. Then what I like this comic is we cannot have answer to everything, but sometimes he gave us question about like why we cannot killing other person like that. And when he go to the school, the really logical group is coming up to the school. The group is animal. Oh, I forgot the name of the group, but is the protecting the animal right, and they don't eat meat like vegan, but they pressure us to not eat meat, then killing people sometimes. Then that group is want him to become the leader of that group. So it has 6 and 7 for now, 7 volume. And also, yeah, it says they got the award in France. France, how do I call it? France Bando de Cine Critics. So it's really nice contents, and we need to think about the vegans and meat likers group critics and then comment. And in Japan it's not so radical, so I didn't understand what's happening in other country, but it might be reflecting the other like United States and European countries situation, because I heard some this kind of news in other country. So yeah, if we want to learn about what happening in the comic, please check it. I think there is an English version. Alright, so that is from this week. How do you like it? Starting from the Kicks book, it was fun, and then Come Together and Anatomy of Emotion, and ending with the comic Darwin's Incident. So if you like something, please let me know in the comment, because there's no comment at all recently. And yeah, I want to communicate with you. I don't want to say like please subscribe this channel, because I'm doing this like as a hobby. So yeah, let me know your comment. I want to engage you. And thank you for watching my video. So next week, bye bye.